everybody, welcome to 54 Nights RV. Today we're taking a look at the 2019 Tiffin Wayfarer 24FW. It's a Class C. It's on the Mercedes chassis. It's got a diesel motor in it. Gross vehicle weight rating of 11,030 pounds. I'm guessing it's like 24 foot long. I will look it up. It's got TV on the outside, which is pretty cool. The storage on the outside of these Wayfarers is a lot like a Class A storage.
I think that was battery.
Yeah. Little access for a trash can there. Way down there's a trash can.
So you'd have to clean the walls, probably.
Yeah. Little two burner cooktop.
And we tried to give you some space back behind it, some prep space.
Yeah.
Wow, I was really interested in that trash thing, wasn't you?
You were. Seats spin around. You got little booster pads on there. So. And then the sunroof for the overhead bunk, which is kind of cool. I'm pretty sure Terry would spend most of her time sleeping in that overhead bunk.
Staring at the stars.
Yep. And this one has theater seating, but you can get a couch or you can get a dinette. And there she's taking a look at the storage for the...
All the components for the Murphy bed.
Well, no,
table,
I think
right?
that's a table for up in front of the cab, because here is the desk type table. And I think one of those things down there is a support for that.
Right.
And down here in the corner I'm showing you last year's model, some of the changes they've made from last year's model. You can see last year the legs in the desk were a little bit different. This one looks like it's a little bit easier to operate. It's a queen size bed. Outlet there by the bed. You've got the TV on a televator. That is an option, but they added a window to the rear of the coach, which is really cool. Little bathroom there. Of course, it's a small Class C, and it's actually a decent sized bathroom. Kind of a fancy looking faucet there. A little bit of storage up above and
pretty deep,
down the
actually.
side. Yeah. And then you got access to what looks to be what my Christmas lights look like when I dig them out of the attic. Control panel there. It has solar on board.
How do you know that?
It says right there,
on
solar
board.
on board. Don't know where the board is, but there's solar on it. So one of the guys that came in while we were recording this pointed out that because of that lip down below the Murphy bed, you can only fit 2 people at that table because the chairs won't go up on that storage.
And it's a huge table.
Yeah, good size little wardrobe right there.
I don't think we ever really figured that out.
I think it's just like on a pirate ship where you got that stowaway, where you can hide.
Oh, that's cool. That's handy on any camper.
Yeah. I like the theater seating. I think I would probably opt for that myself.
And this, you could see the TV better than last year's model, because last year's model, when you're sitting there, it was kind of...
What is it?
Yeah, well, it had the little TV. It was just a smaller TV. I think it was harder to
there's
see.
a TV right up there.
Well, you know what? I wasn't thinking of that TV. I was just thinking of the back TV. So that doesn't... Yeah. Never mind.
It's got 3-way fridge in it. I still like the Wayfarer. I like what they've done with it. Little cupboard right there that pulls out. So I'm still a fan of the Wayfarer.
This intrigues us. I mean, some of the people that came in there, they were like, "What the heck," you know? But I just think if you're working on the road, you know, even if you're a photographer and that's what you do for a living, and you're editing pictures, they've got that big table. You know, you might need. I mean, there's some things you might do that you might need all that extra room on the table, since you really can't, like you said, put 4 chairs there. But it's going to be kind of a pain. I mean, when you go to bed, then you have to clear off the table, and then you have to pull the bed down. I mean, and then you got to figure out what you do with your pillows, unless they fold up. Do you think the pillows would fold up? Probably not. I don't know.
I don't think I've ever had a folding pillow.
No, I mean, when you fold the Murphy bed up, you think the pillows can stay. Anyway, I don't know. You'll have to test that out for yourself. But we think it's a very neat.
I like that floor plan.
Mm-hmm.
I liked it when we saw it back in January, and
definitely fit a niche.
Yeah.
Type of person that I think would really enjoy it.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Check out the rest of the content on 54 Nights RV. If you're not already subscribed and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. We'd be happy to have you along. And we will see you
down the road.